Okay, next thing on the microwave is this nice Hot Wheels toy. Okay, so I'm not really sure because do you think we should microwave it in the cardboard or take it out of the cardboard?
Take it out.
Okay, Julia says take it out. So we're gonna do that. This is a McLaren 7205. But it looks like it could also be a McLaren 720S. Not really sure. And it's purple.
Purple?
Yeah, it's purple. Does it? Hey, it looks like the color I'm painting my car, right? Purple? See if I can throw it in. Oh no, that didn't work. You know what? It's effort that counts. Okay, so. No idea what I'm doing, Julia. Okay, so we're gonna microwave our microwave. We're gonna microwave our microwave. We're gonna open our microwave here. What did he say, Pitbull? What? Shut up. Microwaving my McLaren. Okay, I'm gonna go. 5. Oh shit. No, we gotta go clear. Okay. 500. Dude, you have to shut it like that. Otherwise it does not shut. Okay. Where's my McLaren at? I can't see it. Well, McLaren blends in with the black of the microwave. We need to get a yellow car. Yeah, it's on fire. Well, no, okay, it's not on fire. It's smoking. It's peeling out of the microwave.
Where's your fire extinguisher?
It's burning rubber. It's called the hose.
No.
It's burning rubber right now. It's peeling out.
Well, if you hose, you're gonna end up hosing us off.
No. Oh, okay.
Oh my god.
Okay, now it's definitely on. See, we opened it. Okay, see, it's still a little smoky. See, got it. Fire out. Okay, so I need something to poke it with. Dude, oh, those eyebrow pencils. We need one of those. So it definitely melted his little wheels. He burned out a little too much. So that's all that happened. All he did was melt him. He burned out too much. His tire's all flat. Let's see if it's hot. Oh, it's not really hot. It's kind of warm. Oh, his tire's all deflated. Look at that. It's like, oh, you can take his little tire out. I don't know if you can see that. I wonder if we just took his tires off, we could microwave them. What is that? I thought for sure that would have melted. Some kind of plastic. It's like bone in. I'm gonna try to disassemble this car here. We need another pokey thing. Oh shit! Oh,
Karen.
the car fell over. He did burn out. See, I need a harder surface. Okay, well that's not working like I wanted it to work. So here's our McLaren. His little wheels fell off. Let's see if we can see them. Okay. So you don't go no more. Those wheels completely fell off. His top though, I think I needed to cook them some more for his top to go off. But yeah, so McLaren's Hot Wheels catch on fire when you microwave them. It's good to know.